The BSV-EC Horizontal Long Splitting Machine is the biggest and probably most famous Baeumer machine. Our looper enables an extremely economic foil splitting out of long blocks in different dimensions and up to a length of 120 meters. The maximum cutting speed of this machine is 150 meters per minute. The looper consists of several components. The heart of the machine is the cutting unit with a winding unit positioned below it. Foils with a thickness of 0.5 mm up to 30 mm can be cut here out of the long block in order to be wound up in coils afterwards. The ISBA trims the block sides. The front sides of the block are equalized by the cutting-off machine. The side guides support the optimum run of the block. The machine shown here is a special version with 3 towers. The standard machine is delivered with 2 towers. All cutting units are driven into the starting position. When the operation panel has the message that the machine is ready for feeding, the feeding bridge at the machine is driven up and the outside circle is opened. A long block, or alternatively 2 50-meter blocks as seen here, are driven automatically from the block storage unit to the looper. The feeding mode is finished when the blocks are completely positioned in the machine. The outside circle of the machine is closed again. The maximum block weight of the machine is 10 tons in case of 100-meter blocks. According to the block lengths and heights used by the customer, the machine can be delivered in different versions. The towers or reversing stations are equipped with clamping conveyors. Always 2 of the 3 existing towers are used. The median tower is only used in combination with the movable tower when 50-meter blocks are processed. In case of a block length of 100 meters, the median tower is opened for the passage of the long block and the 2 outside towers are used. Now the upper skin is removed with the main cutting unit. This way the block is brought to a uniform, usable height. The front sides of the block are equalized. This leads to straight and parallel surfaces which can be glued together in an optimum way in a later working step. The cutting-off machine is also available with a swiveling cutting unit, which is necessary in case of special applications. The ISBA machine can trim the lateral skin of long blocks on both sides. Now the blocks must be driven together for further processing. The movable tower is moved to the inside so that the gap between the blocks is reduced. The one block end is squeezed with a side guide. The 2 block sides are sprayed with special adhesive. Now the blocks are driven together and glued. In order to prevent the joints from tearing open in the reversing stations, they can be reinforced at the lower skin with textile webs. A piece of aluminium foil is put at the lower side of the block. It serves as contact maker and guarantees a precise lowering of the cutting unit in the looper automatic mode. The block preparation is now finished and the foil production can be started. The requested cutting thickness, foil length and roller number are entered at the operation panel. The fully automatic sequence can be started now. The cutting unit is lowered by the requested foil thickness after each one block circulation. This is made synchronously with the belt speed. The precisely ground band knife in the stable knife bar cuts the foils absolutely exactly to the requested thickness between 1 and 30 millimeters. Tolerances up to 1/10 of a millimeter can be achieved. Operational data such as cutting speed or cutting thickness can be acquired and used for further in-house evaluations. Cutting orders can also be transmitted from an external computer system into the machine. In order to process the foil material in coils with a diameter of up to 2 meters, a winding unit is placed behind the cutting unit. As a rule, this winding unit is installed on a separate height-adjustable platform which adapts itself to the decreasing block height. Baeumer offers different winding unit versions, from a simple one up to a fully automatic continuous one. The very stable steel construction offers a smooth block run, especially in case of higher cutting speeds, because it avoids vibrations. A high cutting quality is guaranteed. Baeumer already delivered the first looper as inventor of this system in 1957. In the past 50 years, the technology of this machine has been improved continuously. More than 250 machines of this kind were delivered over the whole wide world. Trust in our know-how.